I want to bring a popular product to sell to the TikTok shop. They require a trademark. Interesting.
Sure.
Maybe to get to the certain promotion level, Amazon's not alone. They're now seeing this has been popular on Amazon, so other companies that are selling.
Yeah.
So talk about this, why TikTok might be doing that.
Sure.
And then talk about the fastest way to file.
We've seen a lot of the e-commerce companies, notably Amazon, move to their own internal brand registry systems, which give benefits to sellers on Amazon Seller Central to sell products. So if you are a brand owner, meaning that you have a pending application at the USPTO for a trademark or a registered trademark at the United States Patent Trademark Office, you can apply basically for Amazon brand registry. It sounds like TikTok might have a similar setup as well, in that they require you basically, if you want brand protection, to have an application or registration. Amazon used to be registration only. You had to have a registration number, which is different than a serial application number, but they've since kind of moved away from that. As long as you have an attorney of record assigned to your application serial number, they'll allow you to move forward with the Amazon brand registry process. So it might be the same thing for TikTok.